Hello Pisces, welcome back to my channel and this is your reading for the month of August. Let's see what the cards are telling you. Remember, this is a general reading. Check your sun, moon and rising. And yes, your cards are already out. We are going to go week wise. So let's begin with your first week. Your weekly love plus career reading is already out. This is a general reading. If you want an in-depth reading about your life, that's also something you can check out. In your first week, you've got the One of Stars and the Completed World. So some signs are popping out for you. I do see Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. I see Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising around your energy. Can be in your birth chart, your partner's birth chart, or your colleagues that you're dealing with. Okay. I do see that in the first week of August, you will be victorious in some way. Like like somebody will come back, right? Like somebody will give you your their cup. If somebody was not giving you a proposal, you'll get that proposal. If somebody was not choosing you, now you will be chosen. If you were not getting a job, now you will get a job. If you were not getting a promotion, you will get a promotion, right? If you were not getting that kind of business or profit or more money in your business, right? You will get that no matter what your situation is, work or personal life. I do see that you will feel whole again. You will feel complete again. Like that missing piece in your life which was not there, you were feeling incomplete, you will get that in the first week of August. So the new week that is beginning for you of the new month is going to be very good for you. It will make you feel like you're victorious, like you're on the top, like you have won something, like you've reached somewhere, right? So a lot of happiness, victory, success, fame could come to you in the first week of August. Let's see what is happening in the second week now. You've got the Three of Spades and the Fool card. Please continue to take what resonates with you, and you can always reverse the role of you and your partner. You can also reverse the energies of male and female. What this card is suggesting is that there's a success which is developing for you. Like you're still laying the foundation of your work or relationships. Maybe you have just started something, right? It's a new relationship or it's a new job or business that you're doing. You will start seeing the results, yes, but you're not there yet, which means to achieve that final place, some of you have to still continue the efforts, but success has started to develop, which means you'll start seeing the results, which will start making you feel happy, which will start making you feel like you're motivated to do more, give more, and which will already start making you feel like you have achieved it, you are there, or you're very close to it. Some of you, however, might still feel like I want to go back to what I was doing, right? This business is not yielding me the results. Maybe I should go back to the old job that I was doing or the old business, right? If this is a relationship, I do see that you would want to go back to that person or somebody is coming back around for you. Either you can hear from an old employer, like a company, or you can hear from an ex of yours, somebody who would like to take you back in their life, somebody who would apologize to you, somebody who wants to start things from a clean slate. So all these opportunities can also come your way. Something connected to your past, like somebody is coming back or you are going into the past. Old friendships can also be the case. So please take what resonates with you. In the third week, I'm seeing Seven of Stars and the Death card. Major changes are coming for you. Okay, like you're ending something. If a job or business is not working out for you, you will make a move. You're going to change it. It can be that you're moving houses, going to different cities and states, permanently moving also, or temporarily move also. I also see that you can start a new life also, which means a major change is coming. Maybe you have been single for a very long time, now you will be in a relationship. Maybe you get married. Maybe you have been a couple for a very long time, now you will be having a baby, right? So it is a major change. Your life will transform in some way, right? Or either you're moving houses, like I said, changing jobs or starting something new. You will be a completely new person right now. I also see a major transformation coming for you. If you have been negative in your life, you will become positive. You will start working on your personality, maybe your dressing sense, maybe you start working out. You look different, you feel different, right? But yes, you have to end something in your life in order to become that best version of yourself. Toxic people, you'll be ending them, right? And not them, but that relationship. You'll be ending toxic jobs, right? You will be ending toxic habits, whether that's negative thinking, whether that's eating disorders, right? Or not sleeping properly, whatever that is for you, you're going to change something in order to become the best version of yourself. A good positive change is coming your way, love is coming your way, proposal is coming your way, and new job opportunities, work opportunities are also coming your way. So it's a beautiful card for your transformation. Let's see what happens in the last week of August. You have got the one of moons and the seven of suns. I do see that you will be faced with a lot of delays also. When you start something new or when you want to start something new, things might not be as smooth as you plan them to be. Maybe there is a delay in the profits, maybe there is a delay in getting that job, maybe there are ups and downs and arguments or clashes in your relationships, right? I do see that this new relationship or job or whatever you're doing right now might not be as smooth as you expected, and you might start losing hope around that situation. Like, I don't think this is meant to be art because it's supposed to be smooth, it's not supposed to be bad. A lot of people say that if it's meant to be, it won't be that difficult, but that's not true. Life is meant to be an ups and downs, nothing is smooth. Smooth line, as you can say, medically means you're dead, right? So life, heart is beating means this line is coming. So ups and downs will be there. I do see delays. I do see meetings getting cancelled, clients getting cancelled, right? Unnecessarily delays around your situation, or relationships can feel like effort, too much effort, right? But you will get the eventual success. That money, that goal, that promotion, that job, or that perfect relationship that you're waiting for will happen after your struggles. If you give your 100%, if you do not give up on this situation, you will see that success is just around the corner, right? So this is the card of success. You will get success. You are going to climb that top of the mountain and feel very happy. So please cherish this moment. This week, this month, the message for you is to not give up. Continue to give the efforts, no matter how much success you achieve, no matter how much importance you get in a relationship. You also continue doing your bit, and then you see you will be so successful in your life. I do see that overall, if I talk about, it's going to be a beautiful month for you, Pisces. So if you guys resonated with this reading, like this reading, and if you want to manifest this reading, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to book any personal reading, you can book the personal reading. Check out the description box. My single question reading, which you can ask of your choice, starts with 215 rupees. I also have packages available. If you have more than one question, you can book a package which is under rupees 1000. Yes, and it gives you a free blockage removal ritual as well, which is a free remedy coming with all the packages. Apart from it, I have a host of other services available, including counseling sessions. So please check out the description box below. To make any bookings, either you email me or you directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Please follow me on Instagram also. That's a new channel. Show some love. If you really like this video, you want to watch your videos in advance so that you're prepared on how to handle the coming week and month. Check out your weekly reading as well from July 28th to August 3rd. Take care of yourself, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.